The absolutely fine people at FiFine Technologies have given me another opportunity, folks, because as you can read with your peepers, the title says giveaway, and yes, 3 people are winning today. Well, when I mean today is the start of the competition that you could win. But what exactly are you getting? Well, you're getting one of the most ergonomic microphones I have ever seen in my life. Say hello to the FiFine Technologies K050 USB plug and play gooseneck microphone. You know me, I like USB plug and plays, and I like gooseneck microphones. So, yeah. We're going to get to how it sounds very quickly, but this time around you have an option of 4 different colors. You got black, you got blue, you got rose red, and you got silver. So you got 4 to choose from, and that is wonderful. My friends, I present to you the K050. It literally fits in the palm of my hand. On a flexibility standpoint, I don't think you can get much better than what you're seeing here. So if you got an angle, you can get that angle. Goosenecks for the win. And as you can see, I personally got the rose red variant, and it's more or less a nice looking pink, but holy moly, it is slick and obviously very, very light. I am just hoping that this thing performs well audio-wise, because if so, holy wow. Okay, everyone. This thing is amazing. I'm using it right now. It's literally right in front of me. You can't see it. I can't even see it in my peripheral vision. I am kind of sitting far away because this thing does kind of pick up a lot of stuff. But for how small it is, I'm surprised by how little that still is. You have 6.5 feet of cable to work with, and that is phenomenal. This thing takes up no desk space. It sounds just fine, picks up very little. The volume of it itself is great, having no adjustment on the mic itself, so you would have to do it, but still, I have touched nothing, and this is how it sounds. You got 4 different colors to it. It's adjustable to you know what, and it's just like, wow. Just wow. This thing is ridiculous. Ridiculous. $17.99 for such an ergonomic, well-functioning, adjustable, colorful, and good-sounding microphone. FiFine does it again. And, as I've mentioned before, as FiFine does best, their user manual is all about it, baby. You want to learn all about using your microphone properly in good ways, and if it doesn't work, how to fix it, FiFine has got you covered. Every single microphone I've gotten from them, their user manuals are the flippin' best. They're so good. So good. But what's the best part about all of this? Well, part 1 of the best part is that we have a 20% off code for the K050, and you can see that right here. So if you yourself are looking for something like this, something so slick, compact, works amazing, and is cheap, and you can still get 20% off, use the bloody code. But the big thing, of course, 3 of you are getting this microphone for free. But this time, the constraints are there. Not as simple as last time. So listen up. Number 1, you got to live in the United States. So I'm sorry, people overseas. This is instructions given to me. The winners must be in the United States. So there you go. Number 2, you not only have to be subscribed to my channel, you have to subscribe to FiFine Microphones personal YouTube channel, which I will link in the description, and you can see it here now in front of you. You need to be subscribed to both. That, again, is what I've been told. Now, also, you gotta like the video. I have never once asked you to like one of my videos, but I'm doing it now. So, you gotta like the video, and you gotta comment below what you think about the microphone here, the K050, and why you should win it. Why should you, above everybody else who's going to try, why should you win it? And personally, I would say, content creators out there, prove it. In 4 days, that would be the 18th of August, 2019, if you're watching this video in the future, it's over. So you can't win this now. So in 4 days, it's over. I will hand select you and get you in contact with the folk at FiFine, as I have done before. And 3 of you will be getting this microphone from them. But again, that discount code from earlier will also be in the description of their socials and websites and stuff, and obviously their YouTube channel will be in the subscription. And if you are curious this whole time, yes, I have been using the K050. I have not returned to my AT 2021 over there. This thing is just performing very, very well. It is so small. It functions beautifully. It looks fantastic. And this is just one of 4 colors. Wow. But this is also kind of like a review video too, so I will say again, FiFine, well done. Every single time I touch one of your products, it is absolutely stellar. Every single time. Like, when I first saw this, when I pulled it out of the box, I said, no way. No way this thing is going to do half the job that something else can do. And, well, it proved me wrong in every single way. And I am so happy to sit here and say that. So, absolutely good job to the team. I don't know. I'm so just in shock of the microphone that I can't speak anymore. But again, giveaway time, folks. Get the commenting, get the subscribing. 2, of course, if you're probably already subscribed to me, but subscribe to FiFine as well. Get to it. And just, wow. Absolutely stellar job. This was kind of like a hodgepodge of things. But, hey, we got it done, right? We got it done. Wonderful mic. Wonderful people doing a giveaway again and giving me the opportunity to do so. But for now, I am done, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.